Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss one of the most ambitious and life-changing journey many of you may aspire to take. I mean, passing of CSS exam. The Central Superior Services exam is one of the most prestigious exams in Pakistan. It's not just a test. It's a gateway to career in civil service, offering you the chance to shape the policies and governance of our nation. From administrative services to foreign affairs, the opportunities that open up after clearing this exam are really remarkable. But let's be honest, this exam is not a child play. It's not a walk in the park, as only a small percentage of candidates pass this exam each year. As this exam is known for its rigorous nature, demanding not just subject knowledge, but also analytical thinking, strong communication skills, and most importantly, unwavering dedication. It's an exam that not tests only your knowledge, but also your resilience and discipline. The challenge can seem daunting, but here's the good news. You don't need to be genius to pass this exam, as this exam requires the right strategy, consistent effort, and a strong sense of focus. And that's where this video comes in. If you are just starting your CSS journey, or even someone who has attempted the exam before, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will share 15 detailed and practical tips that will help you navigate your preparation journey. So stay motivated and maximize your chances of success. Let's start. So whether you are worried about choosing optional subjects, struggling with essay writing, or overwhelmed by the sheer volume of material you need to cover, don't worry. I have got you covered. Make sure to grab a notebook and a pen because these tips could make all the difference in your preparation. Let's break down exactly what it takes to crack this prestigious exam. The first step, understand the exam format and syllabus. The CSS exam consists of 12 papers, 6 compulsory and 6 optional. Compulsory subjects include English essay, press sheet composition, general science and ability, current affairs, Pakistan affairs, and Islamic studies, or comparative religion for non-Muslim candidates. Each paper is structured differently, testing a range of skills from analytical thinking to in-depth subject knowledge. Understanding the syllabus is critical. Break down each subject into its components. For example, Pakistan Affairs covers pre-independence, constitutional development, and current issues. Knowing what's expected will help you prioritize areas where you need improvement. Make a habit of reading the syllabus regularly. It's your roadmap to success. Tip number 2. The selection of optional subjects is very tricky. If you choose your optional subject wisely, then it will go a long way in clearing your CSS. The optional subjects you select can significantly impact your overall score. Always assess your strengths before making a decision. For instance, if you have a background in social sciences, then subjects like international relations, sociology, or public administration might be easier for you. Also consider overlapping subjects. For example, opting for international relations can complement current affairs and Pakistan affairs, saving time and effort. Finally, research scoring trends. Some subjects historically have higher average marks than others. Balance personal interest with scoring potential for the best outcome. Tip number 3. Create a realistic study plan. A well-structured study plan is your foundation for success. Begin by dividing your time across all subjects. Allocate more hours to challenging subject, but ensure all papers get attention. For example, you might spend 2 hours daily on English, an hour on current affairs, and alternate between optional subjects weekly. Short-term and long-term goals. For instance, aim to complete a subject in a month or cover specific topic each week. Don't forget to include regular revision and mock tests in your plan. A study plan keeps you focused, motivated, and organized. Tip number 4. Focus on English language skills. As English is most crucial in passing CSS exam. If your English is not good, don't think to pass this exam. English proficiency is the Achilles heel for many candidates. The essay and pressy papers are notoriously difficult, often determining whether you pass or fail. Start by improving your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Read books like Run and Morton or Exploring the World of English. Practice essay writing regularly, as this is the only paper which can decide your fate in CSS exam. If you have ability to pass this paper, it is expected that you may pass other paper as well. Start with basic topics and gradually move to complex issues like global politics or climate change. Write essays within the word limit, focusing on structure, clarity, coherence. For pressy practice, summarizing long passages while retaining the core meaning. Tip number 5. Develop critical thinking for essay writing. Essay is not just about writing, it's about analyzing and presenting arguments in a logical and structured manner. You need to develop critical thinking skills to approach topics effectively. For example, if the topic is climate change, a global crisis, don't just explain what climate change is. Discuss its causes, impacts, and potential solution with evidence and examples. Practice brainstorming and outlining essays before writing them. This ensures your ideas flow logically and cover all dimensions of the topic. Tip number 6. Strengthen general knowledge and current affairs. General knowledge and current affairs are the heart of CSS exam. Start by reading Dawn or the news daily. Focus on editorials, opinion pieces, and articles on politics, economy, and international relations. But don't stop at memorizing events. Understand the why and how behind them. For example, when studying Pakistan's economic challenges, explore root causes like inflation, external debt, and governance issues, and think of potential solutions. Build a habit of connecting global events to Pakistan's context. Tip number 7. Read quality books and resources. Quality over quantity is the golden rule here. For each subject, choose 1 to 2 standard books recommended by CSS experts. For example, go for Pakistan. The Formative Phase by Khalid bin Said for Pakistan Affairs, or Exploring the World of IR for International Relations. Supplement these books with online resources, government reports, and research papers for updated data. Avoid juggling too many resources. It leads to confusion and wasted time. Tip number 8, master time management. Time management is critical during both preparation and exam. Practice past papers under timed conditions to stimulate the real exam. This will help you learn how to allocate time for each question effectively. For instance, in a 3-hour paper with 5 questions, you should spend no more than 35 minutes per question. Keep last 10 minutes for reviewing your answers. The better your time management, the more confident you will feel on the exam day. Tip number 9. Practice past papers and review trends. Past papers are your best friend during preparation. Analyze questions from last 5 to 10 years to identify recurring themes and topics. For example, topics like Kashmir issue, governance challenges, and constitutional amendments are frequently asked in Pakistan affairs. Practicing past papers helps you understand how questions are framed and trains you to answer in format expected by examiners. Tip number 10. Join study groups or coaching centers. Study groups are a great way to exchange ideas and discuss difficult concepts. For example, in a group discussion on international relations, you might learn new perspective or gain clarity on confusing theories. If you feel lost, consider coaching classes. However, coaching should supplement your study plan, not replace it. Choosing reputable institutions that focus on CSS specific preparation. Tip number 11. Stay physically and mentally healthy. CSS preparation can be mentally exhausting. Take care of your health by exercising regularly, eating nutritious food, and getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep. A tired mind is less productive, so don't sacrifice rest for extra study hours. If you feel stressed, try mindfulness, exercise, or short breaks to recharge your energy. Your mental clarity and focus are just as important as your study material. Tip number 12, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to study few topics deeply than to skim through the entire syllabus. For example, if you're studying Pakistan affairs, focus on understanding key historical events and their relevance today rather than memorizing every date and detail. In-depth knowledge helps you write analytical and high-quality answers that impress examiners. Tip number 13, prepare subject-wise notes. Prepare concise notes for each subject, summarizing key points, definitions, and case studies. For example, in current affairs, maintain a timeline of significant events with key facts and figures. These notes will be invaluable for quick revision during the final weeks before the exam. Tip number 14, improve analytical and writing skills. CSS exam demand not just knowledge but also ability to present it effectively. Practice writing answers that are clear, logical, and structured. For analytical questions, include an introduction, main arguments, examples, and a conclusion. Avoid unnecessary jargon. Keep your language simple but impactful. Now the last tip, tip number 15, stay consistent and don't get discouraged. Finally, remember that CSS preparation is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is the key to success. If you encounter setbacks, don't let them discourage you. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Celebrate small milestones, whether it's completing a subject or improving your essay writing. Stay motivated throughout the process is half this battle won. In the end, I would say These 15 actionable tips help you prepare for and pass CSS exam with focus, hard work, and the right strategy. You can turn this dream into reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck. And I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.